I'll bet this has happened to you, a flat tire. You know, it's no fun changing your tire whether you're in your own driveway, in the middle of the night, or especially if you're out in the middle of nowhere. But I have a quick fix solution for this problem. This is a portable air compressor, and these come in many different sizes. You can get a small one to fit in the trunk of your car and runs off your cigarette lighter, or you can get a large one that's electrically powered like this one to keep in your garage. This one costs about $200, but you can pay anywhere from $100 all the way up to thousands of dollars. And you'll find these at your hardware stores or any local home center. This will be perfect for airing up this tire. This is a pneumatic nail gun, and you can use this with the air compressor. I'm just demonstrating how easy it is to build a fence using the nail gun. You'll pay anywhere from $100 up for one of these tools, but if you don't want to buy one, you can always rent one. You can see how easy it is to move your project right along using the nail gun, whether you're building a fence or even if you're adding on an addition to your house. This is a great tool to have to use with your air compressor. What I'm doing now is filling this canister with a waterproof sealant. And this is another tool that you can use with your air compressor. It's called a pneumatic paint sprayer. Now let me show you how easy it is to seal this fence. Get that hooked up. You're going to be able to cover a lot more area and get your job done faster than if you just used a regular paintbrush. The paint sprayers aren't very expensive. This one costs about $30, but you can also rent these. And you can use them to paint your house, whether you're painting the inside or the outside. This is just another great tool that you can use with the air compressor. I've laid out a variety of tools and attachments that you can use with your portable air compressor. Now remember, you saw me using the pneumatic nail gun to build the fence. And these are the nails that we needed for that. I've got several sizes though. This one is just a smaller version and it does the same thing, but obviously you need smaller nails. If you have any of these at home, which I'm sure we all do, this is the attachment that you need to air these up with. You saw me using this attachment for the tires, and now let me show you this. This is the pneumatic rotary sander. This would work great for any sanding project that you have. And you also can get a hand sander, so either one of these works well with your air compressor. Let me show you a really cool tool next. This is the Pneumatic Ratchet. You gotta love this. Let me show you how this works. If you already have the air compressor, you might as well spend less than $20 and get a pneumatic drill. Let me show you this. Get this attached. See? But there's just one last thing that I want to show you. Cleaning up this mess.